The camera world is buzzing like never before, and for good reason. DJI, the brand that conquered the skies with its legendary drones, has now stepped onto brand new ground. For the very first time, they're entering the mirrorless camera market. This bold move has sparked endless debates among photographers, filmmakers, and tech lovers everywhere. But here's the burning question. Can a company famous for aerial technology really take on giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon? Or is this just another ambitious experiment? Today on Gadgetverse, we're diving deep into everything we know about DJI's first-ever mirrorless camera. From its design and rumored sensor to autofocus, stabilization, and integration with DJI's powerful ecosystem, we're covering it all. By the end, you'll know whether this camera has the potential to shake up the entire industry. Let's start with design. Early leaks suggest a sleek and minimal body aimed at creators who value portability without sacrificing pro-level usability. Rumors point to a magnesium alloy frame, lightweight yet strong, with weather sealing and a deep grip for comfort during long shoots. Add customizable dials and buttons, and this could be a dream for professionals who need full creative control. But the real power seems to lie in video performance. DJI, known for breathtaking aerial footage, is now bringing that expertise to the ground. Think 6K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, paired with professional codecs like ProRes and 10-bit recording. Add in features like waveform monitoring, log profiles, and LUT support, and it's clear, DJI is targeting serious creators. What truly sets this camera apart, though, is ecosystem integration. Imagine wireless streaming directly to a monitor or tablet, or even linking the camera to drones for hybrid workflows. Combined with DJI's Ronin gimbals, this could be a filmmaker's dream setup. Lens compatibility will be critical. Some leaks hint at a new DJI lens mount, while others suggest the Leica L mount. At launch, we may see a wide-angle prime and a versatile zoom, plus possible adapters for Canon, Sony, or Leica glass. Flexibility here could make or break the system. Now let's talk autofocus. A hybrid phase detection system with AI subject recognition is rumored, bringing advanced eye, face, and object tracking. If DJI comes close to Canon and Sony's level of autofocus performance, it would be a huge achievement for a first-gen camera. And stabilization? Well, DJI practically wrote the book on it. A 5-axis IBIS system, paired with their gimbal expertise, could deliver footage that looks like it was shot on pro rigs, perfect for vloggers, filmmakers, and hybrid creators alike. Finally, image quality. A full-frame sensor, possibly developed with Hasselblad, could deliver rich colors, strong low-light performance, and wide dynamic range. If DJI nails its color science, this camera might deliver cinematic visuals straight out of the box. So, is DJI about to disrupt the mirrorless market? It certainly looks that way. The combination of powerful video tools, strong photo features, and seamless ecosystem integration could make this camera a game changer. But as with any first generation, there are still questions. Will lens support be broad enough? Can autofocus truly compete? And will DJI commit to building a long-term system? One thing's for sure, the industry is watching closely. That's all for today's deep dive on Gadgetverse. If you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and let us know if you think DJI's debut mirrorless will rewrite the rules, or just test the waters. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the latest in cameras, gadgets, and future tech. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep pushing the limits with your gear. See you in the next one.